This is our AUK Pure Air Dust Box. If you want a router table, you're probably fed up of having all the dust in the air or the dust on the floor underneath your router. This box is a metal construction. It has magnets for the door and magnets for a base plate, which I will show you. Captive nuts are easy to assemble, and what we basically have is a box which is big enough to take all the router lifts and common routers out there on the market. What it's going to do is capture any of that air or dust that's dropping down, and then it's being picked up at the back dust port. The dust port picks up the 2.5-inch hose off the top of your router and away via a 4-inch hose to a CamVac or similar sized dust extractor. We have a port on the side so we can adjust the amount of airflow coming in to the router box, and a magnetic plate in the bottom which we can take out, and that then brings us on to our pure air system that works with our AUK routers. Also on the other side of the box we have a door which we can take off, so we can bring any plugs, NVR boxes or any cabling out of the box, and then we can seal it back up again so we get maximum airflow and pulling all that dust out of the box. If you want more details on our AUK Pure Air Dust Box or AUK Pure Air Dust Box system, check us out at woodworkersworkshop.co.uk. Also look at us on our YouTube, our Facebook and our Instagram for more information.